In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a QR code on Venmo. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, the process is simple and seamless, allowing you to make payments or add friends with just a few taps of your finger. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open the Venmo app on your smartphone. Ensure that you're already logged into your account so you can navigate and complete this process without any hitches. Once logged in, take a moment to appreciate the clean layout of Venmo's home screen. You'll notice several icons on the page, but for this task, we'll be looking for the scan button. Typically, this is a small QR code icon located at the top right corner of your screen. If you happen to not see the scan icon right away, don't worry. You can also find the QR code scanner by tapping on the menu button. The three horizontal lines, sometimes called a hamburger icon, located usually in the top left or top right. Once you access the menu, you'll see an option that reads Scan Code. Tap on that, and you're well on your way. It's worth mentioning that if this is your first time using the QR code scanner, Venmo may prompt you to grant camera access. This is necessary as the scanner uses your camera to read QR codes. A simple tap on Allow Camera Access will get you through this step. Once the app has permission, you won't need to do this step again in future uses, so it's a one-time setup that speeds up things later on. Next, it's time to scan the QR code. Position your camera over the QR code you wish to scan. Make sure to align it within the frame that pops up on your screen. This ensures that Venmo can accurately read and capture the information contained within the QR code. One of the benefits of using Venmo's scanner is its automatic detection. You won't need to press any shutter buttons or tap the screen. As soon as the QR code is aligned properly and recognized, it will be scanned instantly. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, the app will guide you to what's next. If the QR code belongs to a personal account, you'll be shown the user's profile. From here, you can choose to make a payment or add the person as a friend. On the other hand, if you're scanning a business QR code, you might see various payment options pop up, tailored for purchasing and transactions with vendors. And there you have it. You've now learned how to effortlessly scan a QR code using Venmo. This easy-to-use feature streamlines payments and personal connections, adding to the convenience that Venmo brings to daily transactions. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore more about what Venmo can offer you.